Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to download, install and set up Tikfinity on your desktop. It's actually very easy, so let's get started. Alright, first things first was Tikfinity. Tikfinity is actually a powerful third-party tool designed for TikTok live streamers. It actually helps you add extra features to your live stream. All right, so now let's see how we can actually download, install and set up this Tikfinity on our desktop. First things first, you have to head to your preferred browser and simply search for Tikfinity download. So from here you're going to find this Tikfinity link right here. Go ahead and click on that. So once you click on that, directly from the website you find this download for Windows option. Go ahead and click on that, and if you do that, you're going to notice that it's going to be downloaded on your device. So once it's downloaded on your device right here, you just have to click on the Tikfinity installer and it will start installing on your desktop. So once installation is complete, go ahead and open the Tikfinity app from your desktop. Alright, so if you open it for the first time, this is what you're going to find: a welcoming screen on the Tikfinity software. So I'll just go ahead, click on OK, and then the next thing I have to do is to log in. So first of all, we're going to log in with our email address. All right, so if you look right here, there's this login or create an account option. Just go ahead and click on start. Oh, sorry, you have to click on the setup button, not the start. All right, so I'll just click on this setup option right here, and then you get these two options: to log in or sign up with email, or to log in or sign up with Google. Right, so I'll go ahead, let's log in or sign up with Google, and then I just have to choose my preferred Google account that I want to log in with. So I'll just select this one, and it says login success. So what I just have to do next is to head back to Tikfinity, and then let's see the next step to take. All right, so we're just getting started. Now the next thing you have to do is to now set up your Tikfinity account. So if you want to set up your Tikfinity account, the first thing you have to do is to enter your TikTok username right here. So this is it. Go ahead and enter your TikTok username. So my TikTok username is @ReTonyFaraday. So what I just have to do after that is to click on this connect to TikTok live. So if I click on that from my phone, I have to go live from my phone. So I have to go to TikTok from my phone. Once your TikTok, so I'm doing that right now, right? So from your phone, just go live on TikTok. Okay. So you've requested to go live. So once you're live on TikTok, just click on this OK button and click on this connect to TikTok live again. So if you do that, you'll be requested to log in. All right, so I wasn't requested right now. This is because I've logged in before on the Tikfinity app. But if you're doing that for the first time, you'll be asked to log in using QR code or phone number or email address. All right, or to continue with Facebook. So this is what you have to do. Go ahead, choose your preferred way of logging in. Once you are logged in, then you can now go live on TikTok from another device, like using your mobile phone. Right, so once you're live, just click on this connect to TikTok right here, or click on the start option right here and click on this connect to TikTok, whichever one. All right, so once you click on that, you are going to notice that you are going to be live on the Tikfinity software. All right, so I just ended my live from my device, so let me do that again. Let me go live from my phone again and show you guys. So right now I'm live on TikTok from another device. So right now I'll click on this start, and then I'll click on this connect to TikTok live, and it says live. It means I'm live on TikTok right now. So that's how you can actually do it. So let me just go ahead and end my live from the other device, and as you can see, it's disconnected automatically from the Tikfinity. So that's it, guys, on how you can do it. So right now what I just have to show you guys is the features, so which is very important. These are the features of Tikfinity. At the left hand side of your screen, you're going to find the features. So these features involves overlay, gallery, go overlays, gift overlays, etc. So in my subsequent videos, I will show you how to make use of all these features, so you have to stay tuned. Alright, so guys, this is how you can actually download, install, and set up Tikfinity on your desktop. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.